Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about creating an advertisement. We all know that advertisement is one of the finest way to promote something. Maybe promote your business, promote your any of the profession. So this is one of the thing, by that you can grow up anything like business or any of the startup. So let's see about the meaning of advertisement. The first of all, what is the meaning of advertisement? Like, an advertisement is a form of communication. Like we all communicate, right? Through like direct communicate or by written, verbal, anything. So this is also one of the way to communicate. Tips of advertisement. The main objectives are, to inform people. How people will know about your product if you will not tell them. Okay, so to inform, to pursue, to remind them, to create demand. Okay, if you will, if you show your showcase, if you will advertise, you will have your demand also. Okay, to build brand images also. Okay. So now we'll see about the purpose of advertisement. Okay, so to increase the sale for any of the shop or any of the startup, it will be, if the sale is increasing, that it means it is successful. If something is not increasing or no sell, so how people will know? So this is also one of the things that to increase the sale, to the users or importance of advertisement. Okay, why it is important? Why it is important? Like you can see here, the first thing, helps people know about new product. If you want to advertise for your detergent, then you can keep your heading like this and then removes. See, these are the lines. By that one may get attracted. Special offers given, buy one get one free. So like these kind of things you have to add. You can give contact number also, and you can see that super clean, make your clothes shine. So what is this? This is a type of line, that a type of call, the people will be attracted by this. So I will let you know the PPT also later on. You can have the study on this, and if you feel any problem, please contact me. Thank you.